It's a plain 4-drawer chest, but if you notice, there's actually a broken, I think you call it a spar, between the drawers. Here's a closer look. It's actually quite common. I've received many questions on how to fix this. So I'm gonna attempt to fix this guy. Hope it goes well. Wish me luck. And voila, it's done. Well, if you notice, the wood is of a different color compared to the MALM white. And I'll take care of that in the second phase of this MALM transformation. See you then.